How to change Instagram to creator account. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now keep in mind that the tutorial that I'm about to show you will be applied if you have a personal account. So what you need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram app and log into your account. And once you do that, click on the profile icon at the bottom right of the screen, and then click on the three horizontal lines at the top right of the screen. From the pop-up menu list at the bottom, click on settings, and then click on account. And here you want to scroll down all the way down till you see the blue text that says switch to professional account. Go ahead and click on it, and let's click continue. It's just Instagram telling you what a professional account and what you can do with it. So let's click continue. And here Instagram will ask you to choose a category for your account. So go ahead and choose the one that suits you the best. For example, I'm going to choose video creator. And at the top you can see a toggle that says display on profile, meaning whether you want Instagram to display the category that you have chosen on your profile. Let's keep the toggle off. You can turn it on if you want to, and then click on done. And now you will have to wait a little bit. As you can see, Instagram tells you that it could take up to 30 minutes to make your professional account. And here you will have the option to choose either a creator account or a business account. We are going to choose a creator, as this is what this video is about. And once you select it, click on next. Instagram here will ask you whether or not you want to share your login using Account Center. I'm just going to click not now. And let's click on the leave icon or skip icon at the top right. And that's it. You have just turned your personal account to a creator one. So that was it for this video. That's how you can turn Instagram to a creator account. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, I will see you in the next video.